Today we'll discuss the 7 baby steps of Dave Ramsey. You can find these explained in more detail in Dave's book, The Total Money Makeover. You're watching Follow the Money, with today's topic, Dave Ramsey's baby steps explained. Baby step 1 is save $1,000 in an emergency fund. When you start your financial path, life happens, maybe even harder than usual. Your car might break down, the dishwasher might stop working, or you might get sick and have to pay for a medical bill. Baby step 2 is pay off all debt, except your mortgage. This includes credit card debt, a car loan, and even borrowed money from a friend. Make sure to use the debt snowball method, where you pay minimum payments on all debts except your lowest. So you start from the smallest debt and work your way up to the highest. Baby step 3 is extend your emergency fund for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. So if your current living expense is $3,000 a month, you should save about $9,000 to $18,000, just in case of an emergency where you might lose your job or anything else life throws at you. This allows you to get 3 to 6 months to get back on your feet and get another income. Starting with number 4 is where the fun begins. Baby step 4 is invest 15% of your household income for retirement. Put your money in a pre-tax or tax advantage account. Invest 15% of your household income in Roth IRAs and pre-tax retirement. Baby step 5 is save for your children's college. Each month put some money aside for your kids' college, and if you don't plan on having kids, you could go extra hard on your mortgage or help another family with their children. I'd highly suggest looking into a 529 plan. Baby step 6 is pay off your mortgage early. Put as much money as possible into paying off your mortgage early. Even though people might say that the mortgage has a low rate, it's not a mathematical baby step. It's a peace of mind baby step. Especially if you have children, it's the best feeling when you're living in a house that is paid off and never have to worry about the mortgage again. Now the last step is baby step 7, which is build wealth and give. This is the point where you give like no one else. You don't have any more debt to pay off, so all the money that's coming in, you can do with it whatever you like. Helping others is what it's all about. The 7 baby steps can be summarized in the famous saying of Dave: live like no one else, so later you can live and give like no one else. Thank you for watching until this point, and make sure to read Dave's book. It will change your financial life if you follow it.
Follow the money.
Money, 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 money.
Follow the money.
Money, 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 money.